Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to make your Venmo transactions private so your payments and money activity aren't visible to everyone. Venmo is a unique combination of a payment app and a social network, which means by default, your transactions can show up in friends' feeds. This is fine if you like sharing fun notes or showing off payments, but many people prefer more privacy, and that's easy to set up. Start by opening the Venmo app and tapping your profile icon in the lower right corner. Next, tap the Settings cog in the upper right to open your account settings. From there, scroll to Privacy. In the Privacy menu, you'll see options for who can see your transactions. Tap the bubble next to Private. This ensures that all future payments will only be visible to you and the person involved in the transaction, keeping your activity off the public feed. This change only affects future transactions, so it won't hide past payments. However, it's a simple way to keep your account activities secure and maintain more control over your privacy. You can also check this setting periodically, especially if Venmo updates its features or interface. Once you've set everything to private, your payments are much safer from prying eyes, and you can continue using Venmo without worrying about what others can see. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Venmo tips, and comment below with which feature or tutorial you want me to cover next.